Hi everyone, today we're making this delicious jerk turkey wings. I'll start by blending some scotch bonnet peppers, spring onions, lemon juice, oil, a couple of garlic cloves, ginger, fresh thyme, you can also use dried, chicken bouillon cubes, some ground allspice or pimento berries, brown sugar, you can also use white sugar if that's what you have. I'll blend this until it's smooth using my chopper. If you're using a blender, you can add a bit more oil just to get it nice and smooth. I'll set the jerk marinade aside and then on to the turkey wings. To prep this, I'm just going to cut shallow slices on the skin, and I'm going to do this on both sides. When that's done, I'll transfer to a bowl. In this case, I'm using a baking tray that is wide enough. I'm going to add that jerk marinade all over it. Make sure the seasoning gets everywhere, back, front, and in between those lines we cut earlier. Next, I'm going to cover it up with foil paper. You can also use cling film or just a tight lid. I'm going to place this in the fridge and allow to marinate overnight. After the turkey is well marinated, I'm going to grill this. I'm using my air fryer. It's the Ninja Indoor XL grill. You can also bake or grill using a regular oven. I'm grilling for about 25 minutes, and after that, my jerk turkey wings is ready. You can have this just by itself or enjoy it with a side of rice, depending on what you like. Let me know what you think and if you'll be trying this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.